Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission for many purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 281. If we start with this column, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got a 4 and 6 here, so this is our 2, 4 here, so 6, 4. For this column, we're missing 5 and 6. I don't see any help. So 5, 6, 5, 6. For this column, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. For this bottom row now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this top row, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 8. 8 here, so 1, 6. 6 here, so 1, 8. For this column, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got the 3 covering these two boxes, so 6, 8, 6, 8. That means that our 3 has to be here. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 1 and 3 here, so this is our 2. I don't see any other help. So 1, 3, 1, 3. If we look at this box, we're missing 3, 5, 6, and 7. We've got a 3 here and a 7 here, so 5, 6. 3 and 6 here, so 5, 7. 7 here, so 3, 5, 6. And that's 7 and this 6 is 3, 5. Looks like the only place the 7 can be in that box is here. Right, if we look at this column now, we're missing 5, 6, 8, and 9. We've got 5 and 9 here, so 6, 8. And no help here, 5, 6, 8, 9. If we look at this row, we're missing 4, 6, 7, and 8. We've got 4 and 6 here, so 7, 8. 7 and 6 here, so 4, 8. 4 and 7 here, so 5, 6. No. That would be 6, 8. So if we look, the only place the 4 can be in that row is here, and the only place the 7 can be is here. For this column now, we're missing 1, 3, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 3, 3 here, so 1, 8. 1 here, so 3, 8. If we look at this box, we're missing 1, 2, 3, and 8. We've got the 3 here, so 1, 2, 8. 1 here, so 2, 3, 8. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 2, 3, and 5. No help here. 1, 2, 3, 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 2, 3. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, 6, and 8. We've got the 6 covering these two boxes. So 3, 5, 8, 5 and 6 here, so 3, 8. And for this box, we're missing 2, 5, 6, 8, and 9. We've got the 8 covering these two and the 9. So 2, 5, and 6. 2, 5, 6. 2, 5, 6. All right, let's do some looking here. Looks like in this row, the only place the 9 can be is here. And in this column, the only place the 5 can be is here. Can get rid of this 5, this 5. That means now, oh, that 5 makes this our 3, so this is our 6. That 3 makes this our 1. That 1 and 3 makes this our 2. That means this is our 5. If we look back at this column now, let's see, let's do some cleanup. We can get rid of this 2. This 1 makes this our 8, 3. That 8 makes this our 6, 5, 6. That 8 also makes this our 1. That 5 and 6 makes this our 2. That 6 makes this our 8. That 1 makes this our 3, 8, 6. And that 8 makes this our 3, 1, 8, 2. That 2 and 6 makes this our 5. That 6 makes this our 1. That 6 makes this our 8 and 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.